How to see which Instagram Reels your friends liked. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see which Instagram Reels your friends have liked. Whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung, just follow along step by step and you'll know how it works in no time. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the Reels icon at the bottom menu. That's the play button. At the top right corner, tap the Friends icon. This will take you to the Friends section inside Instagram. Here, you'll see which of your friends have liked different Reels. Their names might appear below the Reel, and as you swipe, you'll see more Reels that different friends have liked. A couple of things to note. You can't choose which friends or which Reels appear here. Instagram automatically decides what to show. As you scroll, you'll see activity from different friends. Now, what if you don't see this Friends section at all? Or maybe you want to hide your own liked Reels so they don't show up for others. Here's how. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now look up at the top right and tap the three-line menu to open the Settings menu. From here, scroll down until you find Who Can See Your Content. Tap on Activity and Friends tab. If the Friends bubble still isn't showing up in your Reels feed, try turning on Followers You Follow Back. This enables your activity to appear in the Friends section and often makes the feature show up. But if you don't want anyone to see which Reels you like, simply select No One. After that, your Reel likes won't show up for anyone in the Friends tab. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check which Reels your friends liked and how to control your own privacy settings too. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips.